In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a lead magnet in GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll have a clean, conversion-friendly form ready to capture leads so you can deliver your free resource and grow your list. Start by opening GoHighLevel and heading to your main dashboard. Make sure you're in the right location or workspace for the brand you're working on, since your forms are stored per location. On the left-hand sidebar, click Sites. This is where GoHighLevel keeps your funnels, websites, and the form builder, which we'll use for the lead magnet. Next, click Forms. This opens the Forms section where all your existing forms live and where you can create a new one. Click Create Form to launch the builder. You'll see options for how to start. One choice is Start from Scratch, which gives you full control over layout and fields from a blank canvas. There's also a From Templates option. Go ahead and click From Templates to quickly explore what's available and get a feel for the structure of pre-built forms. Templates can save time, but for this walkthrough, we'll keep it simple. Return to the main options and choose Start from Scratch for this example, then click Create to open a new empty form. Inside the builder, look for Quick Add. Click it to speed things up. You'll see ready-made groups like Personal Info, which bundle common fields you need for a lead magnet. Select the Personal Info option to drop in essentials, such as name and email in one go. Keep your form short. Asking for just what you need usually boosts conversions. A submit element will be part of the layout as well. This is your call to action, so make it clear and benefit-driven. You can adjust the button text to something like "Get the guide" or "Send me the checklist" so it matches your lead magnet. Now, make your edits. Click each field to customize labels, placeholders, and whether they're required. Email should almost always be required for delivery. You can rearrange fields by dragging them into the order you prefer, and you can tweak styling, fonts, colors, and spacing to match your brand. Clear, concise copy helps visitors understand exactly what they're getting. As you edit, keep an eye on mobile responsiveness in the preview so the form looks great on smaller screens. When everything reads well and feels on brand, save your work. That's it. Your lead magnet form is ready to use. In just a few clicks, you set up the core of your lead capture system inside GoHighLevel.